G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Piece on the top there might be from Koroit. Rules in millimetres, materials being wetted. The white that you can see there occasionally is light reflection. I've just gone in a bit closer so you can have a better look at each piece. First piece is a picture stone. Second piece, I think it's from Koroit. Done. It's more of an open face rather than the pattern material. It's lower grade. It's nice hard material, so it polish well. Again, these last few pieces aren't high quality, but you could still slice it and make a picture stone out of that perhaps. This is basically just potch. The price reflects it, and reflects that quality. That piece. This piece is a bit more interesting. Light purples and blues. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.